Hello guys, and hope doing well. This is a stable multivibrator 7400. The frequency for this project can start from 1 or 2 Hz and is able to go more than 80 Hz for the high speed blinking. The 80 Hz is the maximum blinking speed that the human eyes can respond. This schematic is from the 103 Projects book from 1989. It's an old book, but it is very nice schematics included in, and here is the 7400 astable multi-vibration. I will try to change the cap with the smaller size for high speed blinking. As you can see, this is one of the most simple astable multivibrator projects, and as you can see, the IC is 74HC00N. One more time, I will stay on the schematic. If you want, take a screenshot and try this experience. Thanks for watching.